Bruk Up is a patois, means
broken dance, broke up.
It's the broken language in between hip hop and dancehall.
The first couple Bruk Up moves that we got was basically animation. It was transforming into different characters. My character is Swamp. I like to make believe I could drip under a door and come up on the other side of the doorway, and that's how I think when I'm dancing.
My character is based on the traditional foundation of Bruk Up. So they call me the Earth style, where everything is just hurting. It's proof of biological activity. That's what Poba means, proof that Bruk Up is alive and well. No one dances the same in the Bruk Up culture.
Or in the culture.
We represent that individuality, but at the same time, a family and togetherness. I was born different from you, so why would I want to be like you? It breaks you to where you can be yourself. You can break down yourself and who you really are on the inside, and you bloom like a rose out of the concrete.